Path of life. Life is a journey, and every person walks a different path. Some roads are smooth and easy, while others are filled with obstacles, uncertainty, and unexpected turns. No matter which path you travel, every step has a purpose, and every experience teaches an important lesson. When we are young, we dream about the future. We imagine success, happiness, and a life without difficulties. But as we grow older, we realize that life is not always easy. There will be moments of failure, disappointment, and fear. These challenges are not meant to stop us. They are meant to make us stronger, wiser, and more resilient. The path of life is not a race against others. It is a personal journey of growth and self-discovery. Comparing yourself to others only steals your joy. Instead, focus on becoming a better version of yourself each day. Small improvements, repeated consistently, lead to extraordinary results. Along the journey, you will meet many different people. Some will encourage you, inspire you, and stand beside you during difficult times. Others may criticize you or leave your life unexpectedly. Appreciate those who truly care about you and learn valuable lessons from everyone you meet.
Remember that success is not measured only by wealth, fame, or power. True success is living with honesty, kindness, humility, and purpose. The greatest achievements come from helping others, showing compassion, and making a positive difference in the world. There will be moments when you feel lost. During those times, don't lose hope. Every sunrise reminds us that every new day brings another opportunity to begin again. Even when progress feels slow, every step forward is still progress. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey.
Stay patient during difficult seasons, because every challenge is preparing you for something greater. Just as a seed must grow beneath the soil before becoming a mighty tree, your greatest transformation often happens where no one can see it. Never stop learning. Never stop dreaming. Never stop moving forward. The road may be long, but every step you take today is building the future you desire. Walk your path with courage. Walk your path with gratitude. Walk your path with love. Because your life is not just about reaching the destination. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be.